Explain external combustion engine. To understand the concept of the external combustion engine, let us consider a piston cylinder arrangement attached to a boiler. Heat is generated in the boiler by burning some fuel in the presence of air. When saturated steam is supplied to the boiler at high pressure, the steam gets heated up to form superheated steam. This high-temperature superheated steam expands into the cylinder and pushes the piston to produce some mechanical work. Thus we see that the heat generated by the combustion of fuel is transferred to a second fluid, also known as working fluid. Such type of engines are known as external combustion engines. Thus, we can define external combustion engine as an engine in which combustion products transfer heat to a working fluid which then produces some mechanical work. Some common examples of external combustion engines are steam engine based on Rankine cycle, Stirling engine, steam-powered motor cars used in earlier days. Related terms are